Good morning. Today is Thursday, January 15, 2025. So kung isang araw lang si PBBM ay nasa Abu Dhabi. Now ngayon, kaninang umaga ay nasa Cebu siya para uh, pangalanan yung bagong barko na gawa ng Abuetis Group of Companies sa incorporation or joint venture ng Japan. So makikita mo kung gaano siya kasipag at dito ngayon gusto kong ipapakita sa inyo kung gaano siya kagaling magsalita. Kung nagbasa man ito, di ko alam. I cannot say, I do not know.
Capacity to rise to the challenge of a rapidly changing world. This accomplishment stands as an example of what can be achieved through strong international partnerships. The collaboration between Japan and the Philippines, between the Tsuneshi Group and the Apoitis Group, brings together advanced ship design, skilled Filipino labor, and a robust domestic manufacturing base. While this project is a product of bilateral cooperation, it is also, and very importantly, a showcase of Filipino craftsmanship, ingenuity, and competitiveness. It proves once again that what is made in the Philippines can stand shoulder to shoulder with the best of anywhere in the world.
Ang galing niya magsalita with full of emotion and expression. Kaya hangang-hanga ako sa kanya. It is a good sign or a sign na ang talino niya